Okay, so I'm going to try to install that mount, and there's my new 22-inch 12-volt TV with a built-in DVD player, and there's the old original TV that's 12-volt that was in it. What a huge difference. This one weighs like, I think, 10 pounds. This one, who knows? I have to take it up and weigh it, just out of curiosity. But let's go ahead and see if we can't get this mount up and get the TV in. And we're going to take off this stand. Alright, I took the stand off, so I'm just kind of curious. Okay, so what I decided to do was hardwire my TV in. So I hardwired it into the power, and we're going to start putting the mount up. Okay, so I cut this board. Alright, so what I had to do was, I had the board too close and the TV stuck out too far. So I had to put a couple support posts in here and then mount this to that. And it is solid. Okay, so I got the mount installed. Check this out. Tried to loosen some of these up. They're so stiff. Anyways, when you're done, all mounts for travel. Let's see if we can hook the TV up. Okay, so this is what I've been dealing with all day. I don't know if you can see that snow. Just enough to get everything all wet. You guys ever have a pepperoni roll? Okay,
Good.
so I got the mounted to the back of the TV. I did put a thick piece of rubber right in here because it was all wobbly and had so much play. Now it's good and tight though, so let's get this sucker up here and mounted. So check it out, it doesn't look too bad. Still got to put the piece of trim up, but look, pull this and it pulls out. There you can see all the, and then when I'm ready to go, locks for travel. All right. So here's how I ended up doing my pull chain. I mounted it up underneath there like that. I think it looks a lot better than hanging here, plus it was scratching the wood. So now I just pull that. Well, of course, here, I need two hands. Alright, see, pull that and voila. Locked for travel.